Gaeilge Weekly is brought to you by Learn Irish Online. For way more shows, videos, podcasts, and courses for learning the language, head to
welcome back to the show. Fáilte Rash week on show. Welcome back to Gaeilge Weekly. Fáilte with Gaeilge Weekly, and I'm very, very happy to say that we'll make on sásta le rá that my voice is back. We're back to normal scheduling with the podcast. Tá mo go arás agus tá an gná schedule arás on bud chréile. I'm very sorry tá an bhrónarm that I couldn't do a podcast last week. Nach raibh me an pod chréile a dhéanú an teacht an sicáte between having a cold, it just slide on a bit and I still have a bit of a cold, but hopefully you won't be able to hear it first. Thus I slide on beag nach le cúna J ní bhaisiv in on a chlustal. Between that, going to a concert last Saturday, ag dul go chiol chum an Saturn sicáte, no an Saturn rivishin the Saturday. Before that, Troy Parrott's goals even over the few days as well, and a bit of shouting at that, like Scradal, Thresh cool na Troy Parrott Covma, and a mix of a lot of stuff and feeling a bit tired and worn out. I woke up on Monday, du chuisime on sin air on Loon, and I had no voice. I could barely make it sound, but Yog nach me in on Fum Yano. So very happy to say it's pretty much fully back, 100% now. Lán sásta le rá tá sé sais céad fan géad arás inis, and today we're going to be doing the mailbag edition of the show, and you'll come on a mailbag edition gen show a dhéanamh. If you're not sure what that is, head back and listen to the last two previous episodes where I spoke at the start of each version of the show. If you make Cláraic tús Gnáthleagan show about doing this and getting people to write in. And I have to say, Caith me raw, that I'm blown away by the amount of replies or the amount of emails and messages that I got in the féidir me chuidiúnt on méid rífust agus on méid teachtarachtaí ó bhór me ó dhaoine. So much so, and so many emails and messages on méid sin teachtarachtaí and méid sin rífust that we're actually going to have to split the mailbag edition, as you might have seen by the title of this podcast pager, go bhfuil sé feicia agah headtail on fud chréile seo. We're going to just split it in two. So I got a lot of emails from people in Ireland, a lot of people around the world, both Irish around the world and non-Irish around the world, or people that Irish parents and grandparents. So éannig timppla down agus éannig no beidir daoine nach bhfuil ina éarnach ach tá tuismóthóir nó sean tuismóthóir éarnach acu. One or two people who have no Irish links whatsoever duine nó bhirt nach bhfuil aon ceangal sí éarnacha acu churbe. So basically this week I'm going to read out, I think I've all the emails or all the messages that came in from the island of Ireland. Rífust agus teachtarachtaí a hAon agus teach ó Oileán na hÉireann. Okay, so if you're Irish and you're thinking you didn't read out my message, but you sent it from Canada, from Australia, from the US, Hong Kong, all these different places, and the hots and the éagsúla seo that we got messages from, ó bhórmid teachtarachtaí wehu, they will be read out next week. Léifar amachid an teachtain sicáte. Don't be worrying about that. Not be bortha sin. If you sent in something from one of the 32 counties in Ireland, mas rudé gur cheol tú rudé agus teach ó chean den rá chundé is trucha arás in éireann, and I don't read it out today, let me know before next Monday or Tuesday. So be jagwalum riv, J Luno J Mort on Sockton Shahugan, and I'll read it out in the international edition. It's been so tough to get through them all. Vis on Zachar hum dultry gach naku, but it's been a privilege to read through them all. But war and privilege dumsa hun lave trade gach naku, and I think I've replied to almost everyone. I'm sorry if I haven't. Capam gwil fragra Tugta agam de gach duine a cheol rud ag an teachtar brónarm mas rud é nach bhfuil. I'm sorry if I haven't, but I think I have. Capam goil. And yeah, really just a privilege and so cool for me. Privilege dumsagus an a cool dumsa hun lead tríd na scéalta éagsúla atá ag daoine timppla down agus mar dúirt me, as I said, where, why and when people do be listening to the podcast, cannot, can fá agus cin chuí a bhín daoine ag éisteacht leis an bud chréile. So without further ado, and I'm reading out every email on every version of the podcast, do make live ma gach rífust gach lagan sin fud chréile. So without further ado, we're going to start off with Greta in Dublin. Tá chun tusamach le greise I Mailbag Clia. I'm just going to read out the emails. If they came in English, read them out fully in English. If they came in Irish, read them out fully as Gaeilge. Dígwit Liam, gur míle mágad as na podcrailtaí a dhéanú gach seachtain mar thosaigh mé an Gaeilge ólam a rís cúpla bliain ó shin. Bhí mé géisteach le cup an caifé gach déardaoin roimh mar an Gaeilge, nó orintha bhí mé géisteach nuair bhí mé ag siúil leis an madra sa fork. Rugum lá clia mé agus tá mé mo chónaí an seo freisin. Is íbhalm na teangacha cosúil leis an Gaeilge, an Spáinis, an Rankis agus an Idális, gur míle mád agus tóga boga greise there in Dublin, greise an sin I Mailbag Clia. And one thing which I'll be saying a lot today on the podcast, rud amháin a bhís mé ag rá go minic an bud craile inniu. That is míle buchas, big thank you to you guys for that email, not just for listening every week, ní amháin a bheith éisteacht gach seachtain, but also for sending something in and for taking the time to write it as rud éigean a cheolúisteach agus as an tám a thógáil chun é sin a scríb. And I'm going to try and pick kind of one or two things out from each email. And one thing that really stands out there, for example, is how you listen, or kind of when you listen, cin chuí a bhíonn tú ag éisteacht, nó caitheann agus cin óir a bhíonn tú ag éisteacht, and saying there before your Irish class and heading out for a walk with the dog ag dul amach ar siúlóid leis an madra nó ribh do wrong Gaeilge. And again, for me, I'm often quite disconnected from Gaeilge Weekly. And it's the role, I guess, the podcast has in people's lives. Tá mise sách dí cheangailte ó Gaeilge Weekly agus an role atá aige is saoil na líine who listen na daoine bhíonn ag éisteacht. And that may sound weird for the host and the only person who's ever on the podcast to say, beidir ghuiil cuma beagnaí aisteach ar sin don duine atá mar óstach an fud crail agus an tain duine really pórteach no buinseach leis an bud craile seo. But I record it on Monday and Tuesday, as I'm doing now. Bhín mis ag taifeadú ar an luain agus ar an mórch mar óil méid Jane of Anish, and that's it. I put it out and I never really hear the stories of, well, how does it actually fit into people's lives? Because, cin chuí a bhíonn sé mar chuí nó mar chuid is tócha de saoil na daoine. Because I can look at the numbers on Spotify, is féidirlim na hifrica eáil ar Spotify and see how many people are listening. But for each person, there's a story in terms of Gresha here, madra like Gresha on seo, listening with her dog out in a walk in the park with her soulage, so fork. And that kind of image, and that's, I'm actually a part of, for this podcast, not me, but this podcast is a part of someone's life. Touch mar chuid. Cuid on a bheag, very small part, a chuid bheag, just sail chuna éigean waiting sin. So especially loves that bit of the email, Gresham. Thank you so much for listening. Míle buchas as bheith éisteacht and for writing in. A lot of emails in from Dublin. So another one here from Anne. Ceann eile an seo ó Mailbag Clia ó Anne. A Liam, mar ragra ar the cheist. Show him a scale. This is brilliant. This is one of my top 2 or 3 emails out of the ones I'll read out today. Seo ceann ten gá nó trí rifost is fearlumm as na rifost a leichi mé amach inniu. Thosaigh mé ag labhairt Gaeilge le mo ghearr iníonacha ó am gohan nuair thosaigh siad ar scoil. Os rud é go raibh mór an Gaeilge caiilte agam ó mo léithin de scoil a féin, tá mé seachtó cathair fair play wit an chlóir mé ar an Gaeilge do chuoine fásta le múntréintach darbhanam an ar clines. Is í an múnseir is fearr ar dhaoine. Bín scúine gach bliain chun chlórú lena rágna. Tháinig mé ar Gaeilge Weekly ar YouTube, cúpla mé ó hin, agus cheap mé gur acfhainn ionach a bhí ann chun éisteacht agus thomú sa Gaeilge. Carraí sé lum, muoine níos mó a bheith an as mo chuid Gaeilge, tá mo ghearr iníonacha in na néagarí inis agus thosaigh mé ag sénam Gaeilge Weekly agus éisteacht lo ar doras ó aile ón scoil is brála Carriant again, Anne's words, not mine. Carriant say gcomhpháirtíocht lena Cuid Gaeilge a car éonar eile úscail sé grád an Gaeilge ontu mar sin míle buchas leat a líam sluch leanúna dílis muid. So Anne there for anyone maybe didn't understand saying that she's 74, has gone back into Irish over the last few years, and she listens. Well, one of the reasons she got back into it, and this was a common theme in the emails, bhí sé seo mar téama coitianta sna riomhphoist, that she started getting back into the Irish when her grandchildren, or in some other people's cases, their children, started at school and started maybe at a Gaeilge school. And she listens to Gaeilge Weekly in the car every week with her granddaughters. And that's one of the coolest for me. And I think one of the reasons why Ceann na Cúisina can fall is because I have such a lovely image in my head of, I presume it's the three of you. And so it's yourself and you haven't mentioned how many grandchildren or how many granddaughters, but I've seen two granddaughters stocha gwil burt gar inínacha agus an trorgah no an cahargah beidir the three of you or maybe the four of you in the car together sa chóir le céile listening to Gaeilge Weekly and think that I'm a small part of your guys' relationship together, what you guys do together. Arís chun smaoinú go mission no Gaeilge Weekly mar chuid bheag gen caidrih tá agah le céile agus na rudaí a bhíonn si bh déanú le céile, and those will be such great memories for your granddaughters when they're older by siad mar chuimhní iontacha le haid a ghairnincha agus iad sa níos sinne, and so good that yourself at 74 and that you're giving the Irish a go as well, and you've gone back to it and you're putting the time in agus bhfuil tú a chur an tánasteach chun feabhas a chur ar the chuid Gaeilge. But you had one line there, Wuscail sé grá don Gaeilge unto. I would argue, Anne, it's not the podcast that has inspired the love for Irish in them. It's yourself more than anyone else who hain níos mó not aon den eile. So big thank you for that email, Anne in Dublin and Amalia Huclea. Another very special one, and one of my favourite ones today, and this is probably, out of all the kind of messages I got, has gach seachtracht or me. I think only one came in from someone who wouldn't have been or wouldn't be a native English speaker. Ceapam ní raibh ceann amháin a tháinig isteach ó chuine nach bhfuil ina gaintear dúchais sa bhéarla. And that is from Sergio, or as we'd say in Ireland, Sergio. I'm sure Sergio or Sergio, you're maybe sick of people pronouncing your name wrong in Ireland. Seans mahagwil de chin tursach as dini ag fumnu the anam mi chart. But Sergio or Sergio is listening in Bortlarga in Waterford, a liam a chara. Os rud é gur ír tú ar on labhairt faoine dar hí leis an budcréile, seo é mo scéal. Had níos ar an budcréile de cheans ag chuirteach ar spáismhaid, hadn sé lum grá gá level deacreachta ann, trí cín inis. Déis this leis an gceann, this is written in Munster Irish, so it's a bit tricky for me to read out, but it's written perfectly in perfect Munster Irish. Déis this leis an gceann níos simplí, agus hatan an chuí ará sé agrithe lum le míní mBéarla óam gohan. An sin I glór aigen, luid tú grá tú a chóní sa Spáin, hí iontasarm mar táimse sa stáid os chuine. Is Spáinneach meise atá im a chóní in éireann, chun é Fort Larga. As sin amach, éistem leis gach seachtain agus is matlam áireachtáil faoi de haithí sa Spáin. Gleisgil, cai tú cuairt a thuirt ar ma hir, Asturias, ceann sin na ceantar cheilteacha sa Spáin, éistem a gcónaí leis an leagan níos simplí agus an sin má bhraham muínach mar German sa Spáinis. Si mi vengo arriba, éistem leis an Gnáthleagan tá sé an na charachdom ar liam bearbua agus banach Sergio. And for people that didn't understand, Sergio lives in Waterford. And he actually told me, because we had a bit of a back and forth both in Irish and in Spanish on the emails after this. Bhím sé glabhairt le céile beagnaí na Gaeilge agus fresh na Spanish na riomhphoist. And I believe he's moving to the Gaeltacht very soon. Ceapan Goil sé bogu go dtí an Gaeltacht Galua on Reen down there in Waterford, the Waterford Gaeltacht. And saying, got into the podcast a few years ago and then realised that I lived in Spain, that we have kind of the opposite situations. He's Spanish living in Ireland, I'm Irish living in Spain, and was more interested in the podcast even after that. Started listening every week and recommended I go to where he's from in Spain, Asturias, which I was there once, but only briefly, in Oviedo a few years ago, couple of blino hin, Husan in Oviedo. And thanking me for the podcast, but thank you, Sergio, as a éisteacht gach seachtain, and so cool again to think you've moved to Ireland. Not only have you probably had to learn English or improve your English at least, but also go down the road of Irish, and that you've done that, and such great inspiration and putting a lot of Irish people, and I don't mean this in a bad way, towards probably putting a lot of Irish people to shame, really, in terms of how well you've learned it and level atá agat, and how much work you've had to put into it. I know it's not easy for native English speakers tá sagam nach bhfuil sé éasca le country dúchas mBéarla So even then, for someone who has Spanish as their first language, duine oil an Spáinis acu mar an chéad teanga fiú níos deacra, even more difficult. So fair play to you, Sergio, and so nice to speak to you over a few emails last week as well. Looking forward to hopefully spending more time in Asturias. Ag tnú go mór le cúnaidé níos máma a chathú in Asturias I 2026 in 2026. Malachi from Dublin. Hi Liam, is Misha Malachi ó Gnáthleagan I Moille Clia, so from Gnáthleagan. Tá mé géisteach le de fud chréile gach seachtain le 2000 nús. Ribh seo, bhí mé géisteach le lán podchréiltí politiúla. I decided to take a break from politics and try to learn Irish. I searched around and was impressed with your method. Thank you, Malachi. I lead a very busy life at the moment and enjoy the fact learning Irish and listening to it gives me a break from normal goings on. I need to stop now, but we'll send on more info and feedback at some point. Lemas, Malachi. Malachi, big thank you for that email. I think I wrote something back to you as well. Míle buchas as an rifos sin agus ceapam gur chur mé freagra huiget in níos sin chomh after that as well. And so nice to hear a bit of your story. And yeah, I'm kind of in the same boat. Sometimes it's so addictive reading different political stuff or heavy stuff, and it talks about, you know, people are talking about the suffering of people around the world and poverty as if it's a sport, you know, and talking about it in terms of elections and stuff. Tá daoine glártrí buchtanis agus coga agus stracailt na daoine timpplain down cosúil go bhfuil sé mar sport, you know, especially when people are talking about elections and all this. So góirithe nuair bhíon daoine ag labhairt faoi toghchánaí agus rudaí eile. So good that like what I'm trying to do at the moment, cosúil leis an rud bhfuil mise ag déanúireacht a dhéanú faoi láthair. You've managed to put that time in a different route, I suppose, or channel it differently and put it into doing something like learning Irish, hopefully something more enjoyable, le cúnaidé rud éigean of winning to níos mó taitneamhas, and also something that helps you improve in terms of your skills in a language, maybe appreciate Irish culture a bit more as well. Beidir go bhfuil tú an of níos tuiscinaí, more understanding of Irish culture, and a lot of where, you know, our culture originally comes from. Cinnát a hagan our culture here, my culture and your culture, Malachi, as well, and the way it's connected to us in a way that we can't avoid. An bailach óil sé ceangailte linn I malach nach bhfuilmid in an a cheachant. So thank you very much for putting that time in, Malachi, to the Irish, for doing it with us over here at Learn Irish Online. When I sinna dhéanú linne an seo Gaeilge Weekly agus Learn Irish Online, and for writing in and for listening every week. Big thank you, Malachi. Míle buchas. Malachi. Peadar as Kildare. So Peadar from Kildare. Hi Liam, first of all, thank you for your podcast. I listen to it religiously every week and find it's helped me immensely with my level in the language. I find myself thinking more and more about Irish and even thinking in Irish sometimes. I found your podcast around a year ago after reading an Irish history book and decided that an Gaeilge should be a bigger part of my life. I'm still nowhere near where I'd like to be, but definitely found myself getting a lot better. The last month or so I've started listening to just the Irish version and picking up an awful lot of it. Then going back to the BHFAD Níos Simplí version and getting the actual translation. I live in Kildare but commute all over the country and listen when I'm in the car every week. Your podcast and Duolingo are the only things I use for my Irish, and I really feel like I'm slowly getting better. I train martial arts, jiu-jitsu 5 nights a week, and I'm also doing some college stuff, but when things calm down a little bit, I'll definitely be investigating some more of your Learn Irish Online content. Thanks so much for the hard work, and note that it does make a difference. So nice, Peadar, that you took the time to write that. Cobh Jas gur thóg tú an tám hon é sin a scríb, and I really appreciate the kind words. Tá mé fear bhuíoch as na focal cinnalta sin. And thank you for listening every week. And again, just to see how it fits into your life, you will roll biog a Gaeilge Weekly at a hail, and to think you might be listening to Mayo. You say you commute around the country, been to a grand sin, coming to a tastal a snubber, chimpel na tira. So maybe one week you're listening to Mayo, one other week in Belfast, Beidir, Seachtain one and Mayo, Seachtain Ella, Mail First another week down in Wexford and Lochorman or wherever it might be, and then often in Kildare, Gominic, Kildare, where you live. So cool. And yeah, whenever you've got more time and you want to get involved with other stuff over at Learn Irish Online, or will níos mó ama agus tá tú gur níos mó ama a chathú linne ag Learn Irish Online, Father, give me a message and we'll help you out. No problem to organise that, whether it's a course or whatever else. Speaking of which, so very sorry, but it's a quick little interruption or ad to the podcast. I haven't done one in a while, and this will all be applicable to you. It's good news. It's that for Black Friday this week, from Thursday the 27th of November until the 30th, which is the Sunday, the 30th of November. So those 4 days this weekend, all Learn Irish Online courses are half price. No catches, no sign-ups, no whatever. It's 50% off. So any course that was 100 is now 50. Any course that was 80 is now 40. And this is the only sale we ever do during the year. I promise you there will not be another sale at learnirishonline.com on our courses until Black Friday 2026. So if you want to get involved and you were listening before the 30th of November, there is still time from this Thursday until this Sunday. All LIO courses half price over on the website. You don't need a discount code. The price will already be applied at checkout or as you even go in and look at the course. And if you're looking for a course that teaches you real life Irish, you're actually going to use and simplifies a lot of things that maybe catch you out with the language. It's lifetime access. It's completely self-paced. We have 5 or 6 different courses there, depending on your level or what you're trying to focus on, whether it's speaking or listening or grammar and so on. And we can also organise Christmas Day email delivery if it is a gift for someone at no extra cost. Just give us an email or a message on Instagram. All the details are over at learnirishonline.com. Just head on to the courses page and you'll see everything there. It's laid out really simple. Shouldn't be any hassle to navigate. But as always, any questions, give me an email at liam.learnirishonline@gmail.com. Anyway, back to the podcast. So, Míle buíochas as sin, Peadar, and moving on slightly more south in the country, we're going back to Waterford, Piúg níos mó ó cheas sa tír, táimid ag fiú ar Fort Larga, and we're listening now to Donna Ward's Gaeilge Weekly. Nóta beag le labhairt faoin méid taitneamh ó bhfuil méid buinte as de chóirsa ar Learn Irish Online, agus as de fodcréile. Is mór an nóire orm, go méid beagnach 55 bliain díos agus tá level Gaeilge an a lag. Ach, tá ag fiosú an scéal de réir a chéile. That's the most important thing, Peadar. That's the most important thing, Donna. Sin a rud is tábhachtí Donna, so don't be worrying about that or be embarrassed or anything. I'm sure your level is a lot better than many people out there. Fós, tá ag cínse bhfuil the level hain a bhhad ní sóirte agus bhhad ní swear ná a lán daoine an bhain sin. So always look at it that way as opposed to the other way. Tá mé ag athrú an scéal de réir a chéile le the fodcréile agus tríd de chóirsa a dhéanamh. So Donna signed up for one of our courses over at learnirishonline.com. I bríam mar híchitheraport, a psychotherapist, I draw war, Cundy Fort Larga, I Tramore, County Waterford. And as I said on the other 2 versions of the podcast, I think that's where the plane accident unfortunately was last week. Ceapam go raibh sé sin mar an áit bhí an tubaiste eitilt an tachtain se caite, so hopefully no issues there. Donna, and hopefully everyone is okay. Le cúna sé tá gach duna cearcadóir hall an sin. Tá ag buint an taitneamh as de spointe falsúnachta, kind of philosophical thoughts ar na pulchrailtí is Janie Madra le brína batha, the meaning of life or the meaning of existence. Seanna cheistena Ashacha, existential questions, agus ruddy ó bhfuilú to slow things down. Gurmad a Liam is Michel Lamas. Donna, thank you very much. Míle buíochas, such a nice little email. And again, to hear that it's not just people who are 20 or just out of school or in college who are leading as part and are part of this movement of people wanting to get better at Irish. Tá mar chuid gin glúiseacht seo de dhaoine ag géirí éirí níos fearr leis an Gaeilge. But as well as that, it's people in their 50s, as we heard earlier, people in their 70s. We're going to get onto an email very soon of someone who's 87. Dina tá 87. So it's people from all walks of life, all places across the country, lá náts na timpeall na tíre and around the world, which we'll hear next week. Agus timpeall an Dhaoine, agus tá chun sin a chostal an tachtain seogan. And yeah, one thing there, Donna said, it's more an nóire a dumsa gohfuil mé beagnach 55 bliain díos agus tá level Gaeilge an a log. But the main thing is, Donna, you're controlling what you control and you're trying to get better. And you're getting better every day. Tá tú gairí níos fearr gach lá And once you can do that every day, there's nothing to be embarrassed about. Ní léon rud an sin go ceart go méid nóire ort faoi. So fair play. Thank you for listening, Donna. Gurmí the mágad as bheith éisteacht, and more than that, thank you for taking the time to write in. Gurmí the mád as an ama hógáil chun scríb isteach. Anya ó bhaile á clia. Hi Liam, tá nóire orm, so a lot of embarrassments going on in this middle section of the podcast, but no need to be embarrassed, guys. Ní chaithi sibh a bheith mar sin ag mochúil an nóire. That's okay, tá sé sin cearchlór. Tá nóire orm nach bhfuil Gaeilge á labhartagam, agus mar sin de thosaigh méid fólam le gábh líon go le inis. Exactly. That's the main thing. Is this from Anya? Yes, it is. Anya, in terms of focus on what you can control, like Jirastocker and Ruddy or will to Giannis Erhu. You know, and saying, okay, maybe I haven't got a good level right now, but I'm going to change that and I'm going to do what I can to day by day get better. Tá mé chun Payrud or will mate in on Zainu, Honar in Isfar, Law in ye lay. Is there noch me, Rogu agus Togu, Malya Cleame, she them goal say níos éasca an Gaeilge ólam in yo. Mar a bhíoch, and I'm 100% in agreement with that. Tá mé céad fan géad chuin sin leat sin. Anya, sílam goil sin níos éasca, sílam go himríonn technoliacht nua aimsrithe ról mór a thuras chun an Gaeilge a ólam. Bhí sé Jackar sagháil le daoine a dhéanamh ribhe seo, scéal an difriúil a bhí ann, tá orm goil an hidrolín, folklore.ai, app an agsúla leanúint. Thank you very much. Anya, agus my phone póg agam, sin idir range cúisina a bhfuil méid fólam Gaeilge arís, níl leabhar mór I mBéarla, níl ann ach my phone póca, tá sé an áisiúil agus tá sé bhhad níos éasca mar gheall na gléasanna nua aimsrithe is maithlam de fudcréile mar le raon tú níos muile anna dearfach agus le fuinneamh níos fearr asset ná ar fudcréil diaile, tá buíoch as daoine sú leatsa ag imirt ról tábhaach in abheocán ar Djanga. Gurmí the mágad. Big thank you to you. It's such a nice email, and you're 100% right. Tá an ceart agad céad fan géad, it is a lot easier now to learn Irish. Tá sé bhhad níos éasca chun an Gaeilge a ólam, and a lot easier to use Irish in settings that you're comfortable with, in settings outside of the Gaeltach. Tá sé bhhad níos éasca chun an Gaeilge ósáid inis in áit sanna tíomh muid san na Gaeltach agus áit sanna situations in a will to the hoovness níos mó kind of situations where you're more at ease. And I'm not saying it's easy to learn Irish, it's certainly not. Níl mé gur ágúil sé éasca chun an Gaeilge a ólam, níl sé gan dabhas, but it is a lot easier than it would have been before because of the different resources and the different materials we have online. Mar gheall na hackfuinní agus na rudaí difriúil agus na hurlaisí atá le fáil Lena. So big thank you for writing in, and agree with every word you said there, Anya. Tá mé ar chuin sin leat ar gach ocail dúirtú an sin. Anya, thank you for writing in the email. Gurmí the mágad as an riomh sin a scríb. Owen from hAon, which I only realised when I recorded the níos simplí version of the podcast. Níor thug mé seo faoi deara ach nuair a rinne mé an leagan níos simplí gen fudcréile, is that it's a perfect name if you're from Tyrone, since Tyrone is hAon, the country of Owen. So Owen from hAon says, Tá mé géisteach le Gaeilge Weekly, agus le leanúint le gcéadta, a nice Ulster-Irish word that I would never use. So we can tell Owen is legit. He's really from Tyrone. Is as Tyrone in Náire Owen. Tá mé géisteach le leanúint le gcéadta nó beannach níos mó gábh líon anús. Bhí méid déanamh tá nó Gaeilge ólam, agus bhí mé bísnar háing mé ar LIO mar sprálam podchréiltaí agus aibríonn siad go maithlam agus mi sé gré ag siúil leis an madra nó ag obair faoin spéir. Thosaigh méid leis an agran ní simplí agus éisteacht, one of the shows we have over on the leanúint membership on Patreon. Ceann sin na seoanna ar an Bailreacht Hall ar Patreon. Anis tá mé géisteach leis an agran níos líofa chomh maith le golóir podchréiltaí eile as Gaeilge. So probably not even listening to this version on, but that's okay. Seans má nach maith tú ag éisteach leis an leagan seo ón, ach tá sé sin cearchlóir. Deitsil méid Gina stáitíntaithe inniu. So maybe this should have been the international version actually, because Owen probably was in the US when he wrote this. Seans má gur Owen's na stáitíntaithe nuair a scríobh sé an cheann seo. agus níor áirich mé ach chlór Gaeilge an Etchelt. I only watched or listened to Irish language stuff on the flight. Gur míle maith as an ábhar agus an content gléir. Gur míle maith tú hAon. Lovely again to hear a bit of your experience, to think about you travelling through 1 or 2 airports that day in the US on smuoine foot ag taistil trí airport nó hóin sin san stáitínta agus ag éisteacht le Gaeilge Weekly. And big thank you for being involved with Learn Irish Online. Míle buchas as for Portugal ag Learn Irish Online, and hope your trip to the US went very well. Tásúlagam gnáthí gachrad le a thuras go dtí na stáitínta. Hopefully there'll be more of us to get a trip to the US next summer. As part of the World Cup, le cúna dé by níos mó agin an dul chuig na stáitínta an bhlín se thugan mar chuid den churn Déanta. Sean, who is often in contact with me over on Patreon. He's another member over there. Sean, agus tá Sean Marwal Haller Patreon bín muide I jaagwal le céile gomininic. He writes in from Tipperary, bín sesin ag scríbhaisteach ó Hiberjóran. Jane crack a liam. Bhí mé géisteach le Gaeilge Weekly dúircanis agus dúirt mé go seolchan isteach teachtar chuid. Rinne mé iirecht an riomh to scríb gan folklór, teanglinn is rilla, úsáid so tom cínse go mbeidh botún hAon. Is even am Gaeilge Weekly agus do chóirsaí an ballíocht, bhí siad an charach domsa le cúpla míonús. Big thank you for supporting us, Sean, and because of support from people like you, Marielle, taithceocht ó dhaoine cosú leatsa, we can keep Gaeilge Weekly free and keep on pulling this out and help more and more people across the world get access to these type of materials and improve their Irish and have fun with their Irish and put more Irish in their lives. Hun feabhas chur a good Gaeilge agus san níos mó Gaeilge a bheith agah I uair Céadaoin. Cad eile atá gin seo. Chlach mé ballíocht Patreon, beidir 7 nó ina dhí Gaeilge Weekly chlustáil don chéadúir. Is as cildara mé ag achnis tom I macónaí I Diberjóran. Bhí sim agam a gcónaí leis an teanga agus gach rud a bhain an léithí a chosí méid fóla me geart gábhlín ó hin, nuair hosí mé mhac go leiscail sa Ghaelscoil áitiúil agus bóatlam a bheith in an chuineal sús leis agus caint lena múntréí agus an scoil as Gaeilge. Ba mílam Gaeilge ólam I gcónaí so ceap mé tá se seo mar dheis is cínse ghfuil méid feabhasú ach tá bóthar fada amach roms agus míle buchas as me cheistan a leg ragarte from time to time. Sean sends in 1 or 2 questions, as do other members, being Sean óan go hámig seolas teach ceist nó gho cosúil le buil eile Patreon, and more than happy to help out Sean about in terms of any Irish questions or issues you might have. Much le aon fibre nó aon ceistena a bhaid agat nó a bheith agat maidir leis an Gaeilge. So thank you, Sean, for writing in. Míle buchas a scríbhaisteach, for being a Patreon member and for listening every week agus as a bheith éisteacht gach seachtain. And another example is someone who started getting into the Irish because of their children, or as we heard earlier, their grandchildren. Marielle a báistí nó mar chulamid ribh seo Marielle an náir fáistí beidir gur thosaí siad ag déanamh staidtear an Gaeilge an scoil, beidir gur thosaí siad in Wales school freshen, and that often gives motivation, I suppose, or inspiration to a parent or a grandparent to start learning themselves again. Go minic tugann sé sin sppragu don hismóthir nó beidir don chean hismóthir chun tús a chur leis an Gaeilge a rís, and that's one of the brilliant things about Gael schools and why we need even more of them in Ireland. On fall will few níos mó Gael school ag Tástáin in Éireann. It's not just for the child that goes to the school, it's for the whole family. So I mentioned there was someone 87 years old listening earlier on. Dúirt mé agus luí mé ribh seo gur raibh duine éigean ag ís 87 ag éisteacht, and it's Margaret from Drogheda, and she says, is mis a ban score. So I'm a retired woman, Ibre speisialta, that was her job as social worker, Margaret. Before this, tá mé 87 bliain díos agus ceapan mé gur mór an trua nach níon muid níos mó iirecht an Gaeilge a chumad sús to keep up the Irish. Tá an agla ribh botún a dhéanamh lumsa fós. Charry Google Translate lum leis seo. That's fine, Margaret, and big thank you for taking the time to go and translate it and write it out and send it in. Is Drogheda mé gur míle mágat le Learn Irish Online ní léon agla sag fólam leatsa agus is maithla mé. Thank you so much, Margaret. One of the reasons I started Gaeilge Weekly and LIO ceantain fána a thosaí mé Gaeilge Weekly agus LIO was because I wanted to make it easier for people to learn Irish. Bhí mé géirí é a dhéanamh níos éasca do dhaoine an Gaeilge ólam, and so that people could learn it in a way that didn't have stress or fear connected to it. Onas go méich daoine an é a ólam I Malach nach rá agla agus nach rá stress ag buint leihí. And that's one of the major reasons why I started Gaeilge Weekly and Learn Irish Online as well, and hopefully that's reflected in the content we make. Like Kunajay, Tasha Shin Le Fecal, so content of much ag crothú. So thank you so much, and you're such an inspiration, Margaret, as well. It's more on Inspiraj who I think as well, and I don't want to be condescending in any way here. Ní mé géirí bheith condescending, no art no such inanely on show, but for someone at the age 87 to still be seeking out information and education and looking to improve, then ag éisteacht ag lurg rudí nua agus ag éirí feabhas chur Cuid Gaeilge ag lurg éisteacht nua agus ag fólam rudí nua. It's such an inspiration, not just for me but for different people. I think listening ní bhain dumsach le haid daoine tar friúla ag éisteacht, and absolutely brilliant here. You're still going with the Irish and you're seemingly enjoying it. I'm glad I can be a small part of that. Tá mé an sásta Gwyl Misha mar chuid bheog de sin. April, another one from Dublin, is Misha April. Tom I machoni I moille átha clia. They're Birch Páistagam agus Botlam Cower Horchlow, Lennon Cuid Gaeilge. Told you, a lot of people learning for their children. Tá Landy nig fólam do Báistí. Mar sin éistem le fud creile gach seachtain chun feabhas chur mo Gaeilge hain. Gurmí le mad April, gurmí le magad féin. And again, great to hear you're making the effort to help your own children, and hopefully, like someone else we're going to hear from in a few minutes, you've got a bit kind of addicted to it too and thought, ooh, I like this myself, not just in terms of for helping my kids hAon ag cabhrú le mo fáistí, but from actually for my own learning and my own improvement in the language mo feabhas hain sa teanga. So 2 more to go. And the second last one comes from Jason. I think this was the most recent one that was sent in, and ceann is Janie Heolú Isteach. Jason in Limerick, Jason in Limnock. Gígwachlim is a mission Jason agus is as Cundy Limnime. Rinne mé stadger, I actually studied myself in Limerick, Jason. I don't know if you're listening to this version of the podcast. They make Kinsha on me to engage the Gnáthleagan show. John Footgirl, but I studied down in UL. Rinne Misha Stadger, an Irishork that studied journalism. He's in Old School Limney. Rinne mé stadger an Gaeilge sa scoil, cosú le lán daoine ach stop mé á labhairt nuair dog mé an scoil. As normally happens, I guess, Jason, across the country, mar a bhíon ag tarlú go minic timpeall na tíre, Jason. Le Janie, chric mé PhD in mathematics agus tá níos mó am siaram. Chric mé an cinú Gaeilge, an cinú an Gaeilge ólam ríis go leiscail. Déich mé ar the hAon ar TikTok agus bhúil mé le Learn Irish Online. Creatly made the 7-week level up course. Great, thank you. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you got some benefit out of it. Jason, tasúla gurhún tú tarva as, Jason. Agus credjum gra mo Cuid Gaeilge níos breise ná mar bhí sé rih an chósa. Míle buchas le sin. No, míle buchas le tain. Jason as an chósa a dhéanamh. Big thank you yourself, Jason, for doing the course. I'm Siam Changlin agus gramador an táhaach agus dóla mé fuhu wetche. Thosaitheoirí mé dúchláin in dhearan na saona chun leabhar Gaeilge a léamh le Listen Up Irish an bhfuilíonn se thugan bhuatlam feabhas a chur ar mo scill na béile in Gaeilge. Daimh mé gur raibh sé tábhaach marcanna a bheith agat nuair bhí tú ag fólam teanga le Kunajay ba mé ábalta feabhas a chur ar mo Cuid Gaeilge gábhid sa bheith sé agus gur míle mad chun de cabhrú le mo urasain. Le joghui Jason míle buchas as sin agus ar some buganín to the scale. A clustal how you found out about Learn Irish Online freshen. A king hui forto mock we Learn Irish Online through TikTok. I don't really use TikTok, but we uploaded 1 or 2 things over there. Beamj uslowed all rud no ho hall on shin. So great that somebody found out about us through that. Intach gur honig din eigen urin hall on shin. And yeah, sounds like you're making a really good effort with the Irish. And again, not a lot of people have the maths and the Irish. Normally, people's brain either works towards one or the other. Jegan law in sheen, daoine bíonn siad upper no níos fearr le ceann bháin no ceann eile. So you've got a language brain, seemingly from your level of Irish in the email. Tá in sheen teanga agat maidir le much leis an level Gaeilge stocha tá san email a chomhpháirtíocht sin tá PhD in mathematics, and that has to be quite complicated. I can only imagine the leaving cert was tough enough for me via an test the soch jacker dumsa, so I can only imagine at PhD level how complicated it must be. Ní féidir leach saoilú level PhD cé gomh costa agus a bheith sé. The final one today comes in from Richard, or Richard in English, in County Meath. I love this one. A liam a chara. Is mis Richard, form your as chundé na mí. Tá mé blian amhánas lech céad díos some 51 years old, nar dog mé in mionscoil, nar smuoine mé riomh ar Djanga arís. I gan cúpla mí ba mé rasig fólam na Gaeilge le gábhlín in ús. Tar birch J-grí agam, agus thosaí méid fólam chun cara hortdómh ach inis tá mé cinál gafa leis an Gaeilge. Dús thosaí mé le ceachtainna a bhí siar an éasca, ach inis is ball mé ar Patreon. So started off with your free lessons. I'm now a member on Patreon. Chomhpháirtíocht sin bín mé géisteach le radio na Gaeltachta. I also listen to Orna Gino podcrailty as Gaeilge I gcónaí or Irish language podcasts all the time. Ní bhín rud ar bit mBéarla ar an radio. There's no English on the radio. Cannot. And this is the bit I love. I love all of it, but this is the bit I love. It's even on rud ar fad a gohorithe on piece of show, especially this part. And people may remember previous episodes I said I don't care where you listen from, whether it's somewhere boring in Ireland, in the middle of Ireland, small little town, or if you're up in the Himalayas. Well, céadaoin, tá sé granmhar mar dúirt tú is cuma má tá tú an áit le drána Cnéireann nó hús na Himalayas, agus bhí mise ag an am sin ag éisteacht leis an agrán, agus mise hús na Himalayas. What are the chances? Cadíad na seansna. Bhí an tá dearg orma. I was very lucky, agus bhí mé ag déanú thuras mór ar clúsróthir in Nepal. I was doing a big motorbike trip in Nepal a charás sin éireann inis. Conas jiganá nuair atá méid tamán se tarachóir, nó sa chlústán, nó ar siúlóid le mo chlúsán. Bhí mé ag éisteacht le rud ag an Gaeilge, agus is é éisteacht an rud is fearlam le gach más Richard as chundé na mí. What are the chances that he was listening to that and me saying that line mise ag rán lína sin up there in the Himalayas, agus session hús sin the Himalayas. So big thank you Richard as a sin a scríb, and love that she started off again doing it maybe for, was it for your children? Yes, for your two teenagers, the Virch J-grí, and then you ended up being more into it than even they would have been if he níos fós sim agatsa ná mar bheith acusan. So really great to hear, Richard, and thank you for that, and I really hope you enjoyed your trip to Céadaoin gur bhain tú taitneamh as an thuras hálan sin I Nepal. And that is it, guys. That is it for the podcast. A long enough podcast this week, I know, bhí an podcraile soch fada an sochtan show, but that's a reflection of all the emails and messages that came in, and we're only through about half them. Ní like size lats and the emails Déanta agin gajay show. So just thank you so much, guys, for writing in. It really means a lot to me, and so cool again for myself and for all the listeners. Dumsa agus dhaoine history ar fad to hear the different stories from around the world of why people are learning Irish, why people are listening to this podcast. Cén fá ó bhfuil daoine ag fólam na Gaeilge nó ag ólam na Gaeilge relearning Irish, agus cén fá bhfuil daoine ag éisteacht leis an podcraile seo. A lot more emails and messages come next week. Wad níos more riomhphoist agus teachtarachtaí le teacht an sochtan shogan when we do the ones from the US, the UK, Australia, around the world. Timpeall an domhan as an ríocht Déanta agus na stáitínta agus an Astral agus mar singe. Big thank you for listening, and we'll be back next week beim Dráis an sochtan shogan. Goodbye, God bless, slán agus bannacht.